What's up everyone, it's immortal here and I'm back with a pack opening. This time it's going to be our mythic fighters. I'll take a little break to focus on. I have a speed duel and 4 immortal destinies. So yeah, I'm trying to aim for the evil hero support, like it's a goat and Bane. Let's start with speed duel. First one up, Waking the Dragons. Didn't know that was in here. Warline Ritual, Teuton's Mask, and Iron Draw. Alrighty, let's go on to Immortal Destiny. Now, if you remember correctly, I always pulled a hollow out of 2 of them. But 4, let's see how our odds are.
So the only sad thing, so dueling is not an automated thing, but if you put 5 desires on your field, it comes with a little banished in button, which is cool.
First one up, Evil Hero Melissa's Edge, Fire and Descendant, Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy, Dark Sanctuary, and Necrofear. Oh well. Next one up, here's another one.
So how many?
One more Ferris and 1 or 2.
Dien, Diabound Colonel, Gimme Puppet Magnet Doll, Gimme Puppet Desk Toy, Starving Venom Fusion, and Earthbound Geoffrey. My second one. I'll put Starving Venom on the top here because I kind of like it. Nah, I'll put it up considering this I pulled up. Hello, this next one up, my third one.
Also, all the other lists I played,
First one we have here is Gimme Puppet Dread Doll, Earthbound and More Whiskera, Supe, Puppet Fusion, and Evil Hero Melissa's Fiend. Alright, this is our last pack. Come on, can we pull Broken? Let's see. Earthbound Revival, Supe, Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy again, Earthbound Immortal, and Gimme Puppet of Strings. Well, but we pulled something, plus we pulled a Starving Venom. It's good. That said, this is Dimension signing out.